what kind of tree is it exactly that we're looking for here?
Looking for now. The right tree calls you. Right here.
What are we waiting for?
A revelation. You see, art already exists in the world. It's just waiting to be released. It's a bear.
You mean a bear standing on its hind legs?
Yeah.
Haven't we seen that kind of thing before?
No, not this bear.
You're not gonna sell this or anything?
No, I've got no claim to it. I'm just an instrument that brought it into its being. And now it must be released into its world.